Creating a bootable USB pendrive is the process of using a USB storage device to boot or start a computer's operating system. It turns on the computer hardware to use a USB flash drive to start the Windows installation. How to create a bootable USB pendrive? Here's how you can. USB pendrive has become so popular these days, almost replacing bootable disks. People use it more than anything. Before we start, we will learn some important information. What is CMD? How to create a bootable USB pendrive with CMD. CMD, Command Prompt. Command Prompt is a command line communicating application available in most of the Windows operating systems. It's used to execute entered commands. Most of the commands completed via scripts and batch files perform advanced work on the computer and troubleshoot any kind of issues in Windows. Creating a bootable pendrive with CMD. Step 1. Using the diskpart command. Insert the USB drive in your running computer. The first step is to start the command prompt in administrator mode. To start the CMD, search for CMD in your search box, and then right-click on Run as administrator to start it. 1. Type diskpart on command prompt and hit enter. Wait for the until diskpart program run. 2. Then type list disk. The diskpart will show the storage list in your PC. There would be seen that the active disks shown as disk 0 for hard drive and disk 1 for your USB flash drive with its total capacity. 3. Type select disk 1 to select your external USB drive and press enter. 4. Type clean to clear all the data in the USB drive and hit enter. 5. Type create partition primary and hit enter to create a primary partition in the USB drive. 6. Type select partition 1 and hit enter, choosing the partition as an active partition. 7. Type active and hit enter, activating current partition. 8. Type format fs equals ntfs quick and hit enter to format the partition as ntfs as a file system quickly. 9. Type exit and hit enter to leave the diskpart program, but don't close the command prompt instead. Copying installation media. 10. Open the location where is the ISO file. 11. Extract the ISO file with the help of WinRAR. 12. Copy all the files that are inside the ISO image and paste it in your USB flash drive. Your bootable USB pendrive is ready to install the window in your PC. What is Rufus? How to create a bootable USB pendrive with Rufus. Rufus is a famous and easy way of making Windows installation media. It supports all types of USB pendrives, memory sticks, memory cards, etc. The minimum requirement of Rufus is your PC should have installed at least Windows XP. You can make a bootable USB flash drive to install Windows in your system. The first step is to create the USB flash drive bootable using Rufus, making a bootable flash drive with Rufus. 1. Open the Rufus.exe application. 2. On top of the bar, you will see the device. Select your USB flash drive. 3. On the boot selection menu, click on select and select your ISO image. 4. In the partition scheme, as which partition you want your USB drive, MBR or GPT, MBR, master boot record. Here you can only create a maximum of 4 partitions of your hard disk. GPT, GUID partition table. Here you will create as maximum partitions as you want. 5. In the formatting option, you can change your volume level, USB device name. 6. In the file system, select your formatting of the USB drive, FAT32 or NTFS. 7. Now click on the Start button. Your booting sequence will be initiated.